Hi guys, today I will show you how to create this animation on PowerPoint. First, you have to download PowerPoint. Next, you have to create a new slide and choose a background image. The background image should preferably be a street photograph from the side. Next, you need a suitable car. Now you have to insert a custom roadway. Here you can see the roadway. The car will start at the green arrow and stop at the red arrow. The animation is now ready for use. I hope you enjoyed it and it will help you with your next presentations.